What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gallonman20, and today we are going to be showing you this little device right here. I don't know if I can get like a good perspective of it. Maybe. Trying. Oh well. Actually that's way better. Okay, so this little device right here is Bluetooth, and it connects to your old vehicle. So if you guys don't have anything fancy in your car like me, old school, don't have that touchscreen capabilities, whatnot, this little device right here helps you get connected, and you're able to connect your phone to your car, and you can blast your music instead of installing something that costs $200. This costs only $16, and it's very easy to do. So for me, who's never sat in the passenger seat of this car, we're gonna get in real fast and show you how it works. So I think that's a good lighting, I don't know. So here's my little cigarette lighter. Just identify your cigarette lighter, plug it in. It's going to do some readings. It says Bluetooth, and then it's going to tell you what station you want to tune to. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm also going to turn the volume down to low because I don't want any copyrighted audio. And it says go to 88.7, so we're going to seek all the way to 88.7. Oh god, 88.7, there we go. So let me get out of the car real fast and grab my phone, that way. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth, and we're going to go to this one. So it's gonna tell you which one it is, but mine's already connected because I already did this previously. So it's gonna tell you what to connect to down below, connect to it, and then I'm gonna tab out of here. Also turn the volume up a little bit, play some no copyrighted music. And there you go. So now if I click on here, changes music. But it also has this feature where you can skip song, whichever way you want. And there you go. And then also it has a phone capability, so if you're receiving a call, it does that as well. So let me text my person to give us a ring real fast and show you how it works any second now. It's very cold out here. There we go. 1 5 1. So there we go. And now talk real fast. You're not talking. Hi? Yeah, you're supposed to just talk so that way they can hear your audio.
What am I supposed to be saying?
You're supposed to be saying anything, that's the way they can hear your audio.
My audio? What do you mean my audio?
Because you're connected to the car.
Oh.
I'm doing that video. Okay.
I don't want to be connected to the car.
Okay, well, you're connected to the car. But that should do it, and just for shits and giggles, we're gonna flash our little flashy light. So anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you went to enjoy, don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe for more content like this one, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.